Hi, everyone, and welcome back to part two of the series of how to transcend your suffering. So, today I'm going to start with asking you a question. Why do people suffer? So, no one actually really likes to suffer. But if you look around, there are so many people suffering because of so many reasons. Like, let's talk about health issues. Now, health is actually the last problem that they face. People start facing a lot of issues even before their health suffers. Like, let me give you a few examples. So, we have found out that often when people feel very suffocated in their relationships or in their environment, they go through suffocative diseases like asthma. We've also found that when people go through feeling out of control over the environment, that's when they find that their physiology also goes out of control. And then they suffer from diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, so many other things. Or when people feel very burdened in life, their shoulders start hurting. Now, this is something that you would resonate very easily, and you can actually think back that when your shoulders used to hurt a lot, what was actually burdening you in your life? So, it's interesting to note that the body pathology and the change physiology actually confirm the experience you're going through. So, the beginning of healing will happen when you choose not to suffer. Because till the time you have a desire to suffer, you'll keep inviting opportunities somewhere that will make you suffer. So now the decision is yours, and you need to make up your mind that do you want to continue suffering or do you want to finally overcome suffering? It is purely your choice. So if you want to overcome suffering, then stay tuned and keep listening to what I have to say. And in the interim period, if you would like to share what you're going through or what people are suffering from, maybe your close friends or relatives, and you would want to help them, please write to me.